A new leadership structure gets put into place to take Cone Health into the future. Dermatherapy comes here to Alamance Regional Medical Center, and when the champions take to the ice in Greensboro, Cone Health will be with them. Those stories and more in this month's Code View. Cone Health takes a major step toward leading the future in healthcare. The organization has created a new leadership structure. Judy Chanel is now Chief Operating Officer, and Dr. Mary Jo Cagle is Chief Clinical Officer. Cone Health Chief Executive Officer Terry Aiken recently told an iCare quarterly meeting that the move is all about coordinating care for patients, no matter what level of care they need.
We're always going to have to be an organization that provides excellent, outstanding hospital care. So I'm not trying to diminish that. But we are going to have to, and I think we're in the process of expanding our perspective so that it's not just about hospital-centric care, it's about the full care continuum.
Under the new structure, most direct patient care areas are grouped in a section called the Continuum of Care. Most non-direct patient care areas are under Strategy and Support. Check out ConeHealthyBaby.com. It's a new website to help women interested in delivering at Women's Hospital. The mother-to-be can fill out admission forms, get a head start on the worksheet used to get a birth certificate, and can even download a checklist to make sure she doesn't forget anything on delivery day.
Our new moms today are very tech savvy. You know, the days of coming to a prenatal education class with a big binder of information, now we still have those. We have a lot of parents that just download it from a link we provide them, and they're reading it from their iPhone or their iPad or some piece of technology.
The website was the result of many conversations with many new moms at Women's Hospital. 2015 may be the year to drop a few pounds and get into better shape. If you're ready to start an exercise program, Cone Health can help. Among the changes this year, family members 14 and up can work out with you at Cone Health classes.
We find that if you have that family support, more often people are more committed to coming and they can make that a long-term habit.
Go to livelifewell.conehealth.com or check out the wellness section of Cone Connects to learn more. The new year finds a way to reduce pressure ulcers and even speed healing at Alamance Regional Medical Center. Most bed linens used in the hospital have been replaced with dermatherapy items. The engineered fabric sheets are smoother, cooler, and drier for patients. Being smoother took a little getting used to.
That was one of the things they had to get used to, because before you would get that little tug like on cotton, but with this it just easily glides across, so that was a new learning for everyone.
Tests on dermatherapy products at Moses Cone and Wesley Long hospitals found they reduced pressure wounds, helped existing ones heal faster, and even led to a shorter length of stay. The 2015 U.S. Figure Skating Championships return to the Greensboro Coliseum, and again, Cone Health is a sponsor. Cone Health sponsored the event in 2011. As before, Cone Health will set up a full-service sports medicine and primary care practice in the Coliseum to provide care to the athletes.
We spent a good amount of our time really taking care of injuries that the figure skaters had accumulated throughout the season. This is kind of the end of their season, and so many of them have overuse injuries and are still wanting to compete at their best, so we're able to treat them and make sure that they can do that. And then of course this occurs during flu season too, so that's one of our concerns, and one of the things we'll try and keep them healthy, but also take care of them should they get the flu.
Cone Health will provide medical services during the entire 10-day event. Cone Health Emergency Services will also staff a booth at FanFest. North Tower takes a silver. The more than 260,000 square foot addition to Moses Cone Hospital has been awarded Silver LEED certification by the United States Green Building Council. North Tower was built to take advantage of natural light and has 53 rooftop solar panels. It's also among the first hospitals in the nation to heat and cool using chill beams, a water convection heating and air conditioning system that's up to 30% more efficient than most current hospital systems. Before we completely say goodbye to 2014, let's go back to our annual Santa Link toy pickup. CareLink, Santa's favorite ambulance team, held its annual toy drive. Once again, they made the old elf proud.
We just realized so much need in the community with children and in the various programs, and we just love being able to provide Christmas for those families.
3 ambulances full of toys were given to children through various agencies in Guilford, Alamance, and Rockingham counties. That's it for this edition of Code View. I'm Doug Allred, and we'll see you next time.
To go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle up, whatever, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Woo! It's and mingle and jingle and beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell.